Wait. What do you like about this girl? I mean, there's like a lot of things.
Hello there, welcome back to my channel and to another video. This is the first sewing video of the year. Welcome to 2025. I'm really excited, and I'm making something that is really exciting as well, something that is pink. So I'm making this beautiful off-shoulder bell-sleeved maxi pink dress. So I saw these photos on Pinterest and I was like, yeah, that is the vibe I want in 2025, and I want to start with that vibe. So I'm going to be using this fabric right here that I got at thrift store. It's actually not a fabric. I think it was meant to be a bed sheet, but it's really cute. It stretches one way. It doesn't stretch this way, and I want to make use of that stretch so that you can get like nice bodycon look. And then it has this boxes kind of print, and I'm hoping it adds something to the dress in itself. So make sure to grab your scissors, grab a drink, and sit on your sewing machine so that you can get started on this. And before we do, if you love DIY fashion, creative upcycling, and fashion tips, make sure you subscribe down below and also give this video a thumbs up, because you are definitely in the right place. And yeah, let's get started. I'm not gonna lie, it's been like an hour 30 minutes since I started cutting. It's not because I was actually cutting, it's because I got distracted and scrolled on TikTok. Anyway, I have all my pieces cut out. So I have my main body piece. So basically what I did is I created a basic dress block and just chopped from the top part right here. If you do not know how to create a basic dress block, I will have a video linked in the description box, and somewhere here I have a really detailed tutorial on how to make a dress block. So this is how the top of my dress looks like. This is the chest line, this is my arm side, and I have my dress all the way to the bottom. Now I did not tap this that much because I do not want it to be so tight like at the bottom, and I'm going to adjust that as I sew. So this is the main body piece, and these are the sleeve pieces. I have two sleeves. I did not forget to cut two. These are two sleeves, and I also just made a basic sleeve block and chopped the top part, which is from here to the shoulder. So this is just the basic block, and then I flared it up just a teensy bit at the bottom so that I get that kind of flared bell sleeve kind of sleeve. And then I have these rectangular pieces that are going to be my off-shoulder bit. So this is going to go in like this, and it's going to be attached. It's already hemmed, and that's why I cut it off. Also, the dress is already hemmed at the bottom, and that cuts a lot of work. That's why I love thrifted fabrics. So now let's get to the sewing machine. This is really beginner friendly because all I'm going to be doing is just touching the sleeve, then from this point all the way to the bottom do the side seam, and then attach the off-shoulder bit, and I am done. Okay, I didn't expect it to be that easy. I knew it was easy, but that's really easy. Just so that I can show you how easy and fast to sew this is, I'm actually going to be timing myself. Right now it's 16:54. Let's see how long it's going to take me to actually sew this dress. Since it's a stretch fabric, I want to make sure that I have my sewing machine on a zigzag stitch. So that's where I usually change my stitch. I'm going to have mine at around 3, and I'm going to have my needle at the middle, and then I'm going to reduce my stitch length so that everything is kind of nice. And now let's get started. I'm going to start off by sewing the sleeves onto the dress.
taking my time to look at you. After all that we've been through, wondering how you can do it. Kissing and queer with someone new. Is she the one you've been dying for? Keeping you out here more and more. You've been missing on your IG. Guess you thought I couldn't find her ID. You can hide the truth. Now I know why you left my calls on hold. Every time I found out you got reasons not to be around. But you fucked it well, you should praise yourself. I'm done putting my trust on you.
Okay, so the sleeves are attached to the dress, and now I want to attach the side seam that is all the way from the bottom of the sleeve all the way to the bottom of the dress. So I'm just going to pin everything in place, and then I'm going to stitch again using the zigzag stitch.
Never thought that she would be the one that I needed most. I was such a fucking ass for cheating on you. Cause when I see the tears I know I've lost ya. Yeah, I can have a million reasons, but there would be no reason for redemptions. Yeah, I can have some explanations, but how can I change the situation? This guilty feeling is me from inside.
My bobbin just ran out immediately after I was done, and can I just say that is luck? So let me wind the bobbin and then attach my off-shoulder bit, and I think I will be done with this dress. So this is the first look into the dress. I know it's not that bright, but I feel like I kind of nailed this because honestly, the only correction that I'm going to do is correct this gaping at the back, and that is by adjusting this part which is at the armhole. Yeah, I think I do not want it to be skinnier than this, because if it is, I will have to lose my length, and I'm very much happy with my length. I love how it fits. I just can't stop looking at myself in the mirror, and if I keep up with this, I'm not going to be able to finish this dress. So let's get back, correct this part right here which is at the armhole, and then we can attach that bit right here, hem the sleeves, and we are done. So I have the complete off shoulder bit right here, and I have my dress. So I'm just going to be pinning everything right sides facing. So I'm going to start with the side seams, whereby I'm going to first match up my sleeve bits and then mark that point right there and mark the other point, and that will mean that that's where my seams will be going. And then I'm going to mark my center back and my center front as well. This will just help in distribution of the fabric and it will be even. So I'm just going to repeat the exact same process on this piece. I'm now going to match up my points. So this part is going to have the seam. So my seams will be at the sides where I have my sleeves. So I'm just going to match everything up. Now that I've gone all around, I'm now going to understitch this so that once, oh my god, I'm supposed to be sewing this wrong side stitching so that once I flip it, it's right sides are showing. So now I have to seam rip everything and then I'm going to repeat and then I'm going to understitch it on to the main dress. So I corrected my mistake and went ahead, stitched right side to wrong side so that once I flip, the seam allowance is on the inside. As you can see, this is the flap. And I also went ahead and hemmed the sleeves. I love everything about this dress. Now I'm going to put it on and show you how it looks, but before that, let's see how long it took me. So we started at 16:54 and right now it's at 17:59. I'm not quite sure if you can see that. I hope you can. So yeah, this is 17:59. So that took me like an hour to finish this dress and maybe 30 minutes to cut it out. I'm really excited to show you how it looks. This is the dress. It's done. I love it so much. This is the front and this is the back. Honestly, I do love the off shoulder bit, but you can as well as wear it as one shoulder. Yeah, I love it. I love that this flare is not too much, it's not too little. I'm obsessed. Let me know what you think about this dress in the comments and let's rate it 1 to 5.
I'd probably start with...
I like the way she smiles. She got me staring for a while. Got me staring for a while. Yeah. Baby, it's our conversation. She's my favorite notification. She knows how to dress for special occasions. She got me thinking life could be better. These songs start to feel like love letters. I should tell her now, would I ever?